Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. I wanted to make a quick video on showing you guys Voyager since I've noticed I haven't done that. So I've shown crypto.com and I've shown Coinbase and I've shown CashApp and all these different ways to buy Bitcoin. I have not shown Voyager yet, which is a good alternative to Coinbase if you are not planning on moving your money out from the exchange. Coinbase has pretty high fees for buying crypto. Voyager has zero fees for buying crypto. Although if you're going to move crypto out of Voyager into like your decentralized wallet, like a Ledger Nano X or mobile wallet or whatever, then there is a fee and it's kind of high. Coinbase is actually cheaper than. Although the nice thing about Voyager is, other than no fees if you don't withdraw, there's also you earn interest. So on Coinbase, you don't earn interest on your Bitcoin, but on here on Voyager, you would. You would earn 5.5% interest if you're holding 0.01 or more Bitcoin, which is really nice. They also have USD coin, which is higher. It's 8.5%, which is higher, and you have to have $100 worth of USD coin to earn the 8.5%, which is higher than Coinbase's USD coin earning, which is like 0.15% or something small like that. And like Litecoin too, 2% interest if you have two Litecoins. So, um, yeah, that's basically all. So, one last thing is if you guys buy $100 worth of crypto, then I'll get $25 free in Bitcoin, and so will you. So, I mean, you guys should at least use my referral link down in the description to try it out once, or buy $100 worth and see how you like it, see which earns the most interest, and check it out for yourselves. And if you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section down below. But I'd greatly appreciate it if you did use my referral link, because it would help me out a lot with growing my channel. As if you guys, instead of donating your money, you can just buy some crypto using my referral, and we both get $25 free, and that's a great way to support my channel. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.